In this video, I'm gonna be walking through how to change your app icons on your iPhone. I'm gonna be showing you the easiest way to change any app icon very easily. So first of all, for example, I want to change my Facebook app icon. So we have to download a new icon first. So I'm just going to my browser and searching for FB icons and selecting images, and now I'm just selecting a different Facebook icon from here, maybe this black one. Long pressing on the icon, tapping on save photos and going to my photos app, and here we can see the photo successfully saved. Now it's time to change our app icon. So just open the shortcuts app on your iPhone. If you don't have the shortcuts app, you can easily download the shortcut app from your app store. Once you're here, from shortcuts app, select library and tap on create shortcut. And here, select open app, tap on app. And now in my case, I'm going to change Facebook icon. So I'm selecting Facebook and then tap on this arrow next to open app. And here, tap on rename and type here Facebook. Now again tap on this arrow, tap on add to home screen, and here select image, tap on choose photo, and from your gallery select the downloaded new icon, tap on choose, and just tap on add. And as you can see, the new Facebook successfully added to my home screen, and we can see the app icon successfully changed and Facebook working perfectly. So that's how you will be able to easily change any app icon on your iPhone.